Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create easily calendars in Canva. I know there is a very basic way when you create this table and fill the data manually, but if you would like to create a yearly calendar, that's actually takes ages. And you can make a mistake and already screw up your whole calendar. But there is an application, what I will show you in this tutorial, which create the hardest part for us. I know the calendar, what you can see now in the screen is not that fancy. This is just a basic table, but you can use this calendar for any of your design. You can create a yearly calendar, adding, different images for your family, or even you can use it for your brand. So that's and you can use your brand colors also very easily. So it's very easy to create this really nice gift for your customers. So that's pretty useful, and doing the hardest part for us, creating the calendar. This application is pretty nice. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm just adding a new page. Nope, I don't want to add new page. First of all, I would like to reduce the size of the calendar because it's this calendar is for August. So I just have to add the header, typing August, and this one has to be in a center. Also, this one already in a center. Good. Now I just duplicate the page, add my grid to help to insert the new calendar, and changing the month to September. And now I just have to select the calendar and just deleting it. But now I have the frame. I have to insert the new calendar to this rectangle. So I'm going to the apps and searching for calendar maker, this application. In the top, we can choose between month, week, or custom. We can create a monthly planner if we want. We can add which days we like to add it. So we can remove the weekends if we don't need it. We can change the start a week with Sunday if you need it. You can add rows like for hours. We would like to show like between 8 and 5, 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. You can add additional rows if you need, and you can make some settings. There is a same with a custom where you can start with at the start date and the end date. But now we need a whole month. So first I can choose the month what I would like to create, even the year. So if we would like to create a calendar for 2026, you just choose 2026 and create month by month. Here also we can change to start a week with Sunday. Here in the header also we can choose the type, or the font type, style, alignment, size, even the header color, and also for the numbers and also the background. As you can see, it was choose white, but this white means white color for the text in a header. And here in the background, we can choose the colors for the header, the odd and the even rows. So now I change it to black, And the odd and even rows, I just choose white and light gray. But in this case, on numbers, I have to change from white to black. Because if I choose white for odd rows and with white text, that will be pretty nice, invisible calendar. So now I just have to add to the design and moving to the top left corner and just increasing the size to fit my frame like this. And here I already created a calendar for September. Of course, this is just a very basic one, what I show you. You can create a much better, much unique, fancy, mostly not like landscape style, mostly like for portrait style. We can add the calendar to the bottom, and you can add also any image, or you can add your logo using your brand colors, brand fonts, everything. That's pretty easy. And if you would like to change like something like changing the colors, or use there is some let's do some special settings like for weekends, or if you have any special, if you have any holidays, it's very easy to do. Like 25th of September, this is actually like this is my birthday, so I just marking with red, which is not even red, but yeah, and also with the bold. That's very easy to do. Also for the weekend, if you let to have your special colors, you can do it very easily, and you can do basically whatever you want. You can add additional information, just click on the cell and typing, or also like changing the dates, like if you don't want to create an English one, like a Spanish one, French, Hungarian, whatever, any language, you can change the text in a header. So that's also pretty nice. And you can add also like additional information like the here. But in this case, you keep in mind this line is no, actually not. Okay, the size is not changed, but like birthday, like this, I changed back. Just push an enter. So we can create anything like whatever we need for the calendar, or you can add some also like designs. I like just got on some ID, like if it's a birthday, so I can add a red circle, something like this, just reducing the size like this. This is also nice, like if you have some event, planning an event ahead, and create like you would like to create some small gift for customers, like create this calendar, and you would like to have some special event and you already know it, you will do something in the next few months, or you have some event is going back and frequently like every month, and you can create your own calendar and just mark this is the day. So that's also pretty amazing. Or that you will run up some promotion, like your company achieved 10 years on 23rd of August next year. You can, and you will create you will run some promotion. You can already add it to the calendar, or whatever. This is just based on your imagination what you can add to the calendar. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva. I try to answer as soon as possible. If it's possible, just with a few words. If it's not, or it's required, I will create a tutorial based on your request. Or if you would like to see some special tutorial, just let me know and I try to create it. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find lots of amazing Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image or text to video prompts for AI tools. So if you are interested in this area also, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can also find links for my Instagram and TikTok pages, where you can find short Canva tutorials. I uploading them on a daily basis. So if you also like this form, please feel free to check my Instagram and TikTok pages also. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.